All right, welcome back. Today we are doing a roll the dice fitness activity. Now, to begin with, you need a dice. If you do not have a dice, you can write the numbers 1 through 6 on a piece of paper, tear it up, put those numbers in a hat or a little bucket, and just draw a number each time. For our activity today, you need to have a spot out in front of you. So you're going to stand on one spot and you're going to move to another spot each time to do your exercise. How far that is depends on how much room you have, but about 10 feet in front of you if you can. Now, you will roll a dice. The dice will tell you what balance pose you have to do. So roll the dice, you will move to the spot in front of you, do the balance pose for 10 seconds, and then go back to the starting point and roll the dice again. Now, we're going to go ahead and Coach Aleem is going to show you how it's done. He rolls the dice. He got a 3. So he moves to the spot. He looks up, sees what balance he has to do, and he holds it for 10 seconds. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. Good job. He goes back. He rolls it again. That time he got a 6. So he moves to the spot, performs the balance again. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Awesome. Number 3. He got a 4 that time. Moves out. Oh, this one's a little trickier. And has to hold it for 10 seconds. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. Now, you would continue to do this and try to see how many laps you can make in 2 minutes. Have fun with it and let us know how many laps you did. You will now have 2 minutes to do as many laps as you can. Ready, set, go. Time. How many laps did you do? Great job.